We're here on a no cooling call. We're about to climb up the stairs. I mean the ladder. So I got my tools and that's it. Let's go. So this is all raw footage, right? ICP.
Hey, it looks like they lit the roof on.
You can tell it hasn't been running for a while. You can see all the spider webs. And you can feel instantly how hot it gets, the heat. So we're about to slap her open and see what's going on. The thermostat was calling for cooling. Let me slap my gauge, see if we have any pressure. We don't have a low pressure switch. So we're gonna use the little Apions. I recently started using these because I had them for a while and I never used them for like about a year. And they're pretty cool because they tell you the PSI right there. So you can see we have good standing pressure. Yeah, actually, you can see that the compressor is actually hot. So I'm gonna start my meter. We're gonna see we have 240 high voltage. So we're gonna slap this in. I could hear the blower running. So we're gonna see if we have 24 volts here, and we don't. Oh, actually, yeah. What the fuck? We have, hold on. Yeah, we have 27 volts going to the contactor and it's not closing. Oh, actually, I don't know. So let me pop this up. Turned off. You gotta be careful over here because the little screw slides and it hits the 120 or something. We're gonna have a little short. Okay, so you see how the contactor is pressed in, but we got no voltage. So we're gonna see across the contactor. Okay, so you see here we have from ground to this leg we have 120. So we're gonna go across over here. Check over here. We're gonna go across to the other one. Oh, and we do have 120. So okay, so it seems like it's gonna be a cap. So let's go ahead and shut this off. Double check. We got no voltage. We're good. So we're gonna go ahead and take the cap out. Check it. I remove all the wires, so I already know where they go. It's all XP here. Oh, and we have a fuse, a built-in fuse. Fuck, I hate this, man. So the screw's actually hidden all the way back here. So what we're gonna do is get my little Flexeroni extension. I'm gonna slap it in here. Okay. me see if I can get it from there. Fuck no. What we're gonna do is trying to take it off. Fucking hot. Okay, so I removed the screws, 2 screws that I have back here, 5/16 screws, and one here by the ground, and that gives you easy access to remove this. See that? And you get those 2 5/16 screws over here. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off. Show them how hot it's up here.
Right now it's about about 100. Steady.
So that one's one stacked to full. So pause it. You weren't, huh? Were you?
Let's go already.
Alright, so we just removed the capacitor. It was a bitch, and we're about to check it. So we go from common to fan. That's giving us 5, and we go to common to Herm 41. Okay, so this should have been good to turn on. So now, I'm gonna put this on there.
$104 now.
Okay, after further investigation over here, we found that the condenser motor is bad. Check it out. It's seized up. You can see it's hard. Seized up, and then we have a weak run cap for the compressor side. So we're gonna go get an approval on this and on the run cap. Let me see what size this is. This is a quarter 1075 RPM. So let's go. Okay guys, so we're gonna change the cap, but I don't have a 45 slash, I don't have a 45, I have a 40/5 and 5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up the 5 to the 40, and that's gonna equal our 45, and we'll show you that right now. And we're gonna have our motor. So I was just gonna start swapping out the motor. I'm gonna start doing the wiring for the new capacitors. Stay hydrated, guys. Alright, like I had thought, the compressor's overheated, so it's thermally shut off. So we got some water with ice, some rags to make up for the surface area. We're gonna go ahead and just start pouring it little by little. There you guys. There you go. We have a compressor. I don't know if you can hear it. Put it right here. Check the black one. Awesome. So we're gonna let it stabilize for a little bit. I put my high side, but it was covering this one, so I'm gonna put a little 45. That's what we did with the caps. Nice and strapped. But man, that compressor killed us, man. I think it was overheated to the max. Yeah. So now we're gonna check our split. Alright, so we're done with this one. Look at that flat curve. But you see how this one has a pitch going that way? I don't know what happened to the other one. We're done with this mama. Peace.